GERD. It is a chronic disease in which lower esophageal sphincter is weakened. The normal function of the sphincter is to pass the food onwards into the stomach, then it is closed up. But due to certain pathologies, the function of the sphincter is disturbed, it is relaxed, and the gastric contents acidic, they reflux into the esophageal tube, where it produces irritation and inflammation. After prolonged inflammatory process, there is ulceration and fibrosis, structure formation, stenosis, due to which the passage of food is troublesome, swallowing it is troublesome, that is dysphagia is produced. Now there is heartburn, epigastric pain, then there is nausea, vomiting, bloating, belching. These are the various symptoms produced by this pathology of the gastric reflux due to acidity of the content in the stomach material. Now, when the food passes into the buccal cavity, it produces stomatitis, laryngitis, pharyngitis, and palatine, and the dental structure is also disturbed. There is degeneration in the enamels of the tooth. When the food passes in the larynx and the respiratory tract, it produces the aspiration pneumonia. In certain patients of the respiratory diseases, it may produce episode or bouts of asthma. So in this GRD, actual defect or fault is the function of the sphincter. Lower esophageal sphincter is disturbed. One way passage of the food is not possible. There is return of some of the content of the stomach due to antiperistaltic movements or the waves, and these produces the esophagitis, and ultimately, as it is a chronic procedure or the disease, it may result into the esophageal carcinoma. The etiology is obesity, hiatal hernia, excessive smoking, alcoholism, use of certain drugs, NSAID medicines, anti-Parkinson, Parkinsonism medicine, antipsychotic and antidepressant medicines, and also the calcium channel blocker medicine. These also produces, the irritation or acidity, increase the acidity in the gastric contents, which passes in process of regurgitation into the esophagus and backwards into the oral cavity and the other parts of the respiratory tract, that produces the various complications. This is the etiology. Now, the complications or the side effects produced by this regurgitation or the gastric reflux, that is mainly that is the carcinoma and also the aspiration pneumonia and also the attacks of the asthma. In addition, there is chronic cough, hoarseness, glossitis, ulceration in the oral cavity, all due to the acidic contents of the stomach, which moves back from the stomach via esophagus into the various parts of the oral cavity. So it is a gastric reflux disease, that is called as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GR disease. So this is a chronic disease, and it produces acidity and epigastric pain, indigestion, dysphagia, and dyspepsia.